Hey guys, welcome to the introduction video for Python course for absolute beginners. So why to learn Python? There are many reasons to learn Python in 2020, but I have listed down some main reasons to learn Python. Python is a high-level language. Python is also easy to learn. Python is used in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and also in web development. So in 2020, in present time, Python is the most demandable programming language. Python has a large community, making it easier for developers to collaborate with each other, to interact with each other, and to solve each other's issues. Python is used in scripting and automation, which makes your task easier. Now let's talk about the course. I have divided this course in 4 main sections. The first section is Getting Started with Python. In this section, we are going to talk about installation of Python IDEs and other stuffs, and writing a program. In the next section, that is Fundamentals of Python, we are going to discuss about variables, classes, objects, and every other fundamental stuffs of Python. In the third section, we will talk about basic web development in Python with Flask. And under the fourth section, that is the last section, we will talk about Python projects. We'll just select Python projects for beginners and also intermediate, and we will solve them in a video. So this course is going to be a video based course, and all the course videos will be available on YouTube. Now the question is, can you learn Python from these videos? The answer is no. To be honest, Python is huge and you need to know only a bit of it. You will learn more and more through experience in coding. Even most experienced Python developers don't know entire Python. So you just need to know a bit of Python, that is necessary. And through experience you will learn more and more. Now it's time for some motivation. Stack Overflow survey. According to Stack Overflow survey, if you are a developer or you are interested in coding, then you might know Stack Overflow is a site for developers and programmers. So according to Stack Overflow survey, nearly half of the developers are self-taught. About 40% of all the developers are self-taught and they don't have a degree in computer science. So this is a great motivation for each and every developer. So how to access this course? To access this course, subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon. From now on, I will upload 2 videos every day, one in the morning and another in evening. Within few weeks, we will complete Python for Absolute Beginners course. I will organize this course in a playlist and I will leave the link in the description below. Make sure you check that out. So thanks for joining the course. So this was all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.